approach is really kind of an idea and a concept that was derived many years ago within Harrell's and the agronomic team. Our research team and development team kind of understood that while we can look at single products on an individual basis and find their value in terms of turf health, really when you get down to the golf course superintendent or the turf manager level, they're using a suite of different products, lots of different solutions in combination with one another to provide the ultimate playing surface or the aesthetic value that they're looking for in their turf. And so with that, and because of the options that we have available to us, the balanced approach from Harrell's incorporates not just chemistry or nutrition, but soil conditioners and biostimulants and oftentimes biological agents to provide a holistic approach to overall turf health and management. And so that stems from not only just trials like the one we have here with a balanced approach on anthracnose, on cool season turf, but we've also taken that same approach on things like nematode control in the southeastern United States or aerification recovery. And so it stems from abiotic stresses to biotic stresses. We can look at various balanced approaches and programmatic approaches within that balanced approach that offer our customers the best management practices for their issue or problem that they're looking to address. Working with different cooperators here at Rutgers University, as well as other institutions around the country, we have a very diverse set of objectives and products that we are looking at and vetting as we bring them through the development process within Harrell's. And one thing that sets Harrell's apart is that before we put that Harrell's H on any product, we absolutely vet them and research them in a way that we prove for usually the better part of several years that these products are going to do what we say they do.
Well, the focus of our research for the past 20 years, especially on diseases like anthracnose, has been the development of best management practices. These best management practices encompass a number of different things. First and foremost, good fertility practices and other cultural practices such as good proper top dressing, irrigation practices, as well as fungicide programs. And over the past 20 years, we've been able to actually integrate all these factors into a very good best management program for the end user. Well, from my perspective, Harrell seems to be an excellent company, developed excellent tech support, and really just giving the whole program approach. Not only fertility, but also biostimulants and fungicides. We enjoy our relationship with Harrell's and also especially with their product development people and their salespeople. And they're very knowledgeable, and we work very closely with them to develop research protocols that make sense, that really help the end user. And so that relationship, I think, is very important to have a good industry and university partnership. Because people that benefit in the end are the golf course superintendents and the sports field managers and other turf managers.
So what sets my role with Harrell's apart and what I really gain enjoyment from is not only being able to research the Harrell's lineup of products and new things that we're developing and bringing in, but also combine our products with other manufacturers' products, be it fungicides, insecticides, herbicides, and looking at truly programmatic approaches that optimize these solutions individually. And so that is really kind of the holistic nature of the balanced approach. But for us to be able to work with partners like Bayer, BASF, Syngenta, and others to optimize their products within a program, I think is pretty special, and that's exactly what the superintendents are usually looking for. When it comes to our development process and bringing new products into our portfolio, ultimately the customer is the driver of this process, right? We have a direct line and touch points with the customer out in the field, whether that's the golf course superintendent, the homeowner, the lawn care operator, whoever that may be, and their pain points and their desire for new solutions is what we will take and then go and seek out what those solutions might look like. I'm excited about Harrell's investment in innovation and R&D. I'm excited in the direction in which Harrell's is going, and we continue to bolster our efforts, bringing brand new products, bringing new combinations and formulations, and continuing to just scale up our abilities within the turf world. And so I think it's an exciting time for this company. I think it's an exciting time for the industry as we're kind of at the precipice of some of the new, not only nutritional, chemical, and biological type solutions that are being brought into the market, but also the technology that is being brought into the market that superintendents have access to and folks like our sales reps have access to make better decisions ultimately. From balanced approach to customer-centric solutions, Harrell's truly is a leader in this space and will continue to be for many years to come.